pointed out this earlier that the river has been now filled up. River part of the river आणि आता दिसती पडते तिथं त्याला बांध थिंग्स ना हा करेक्ट आणि आता हिंग मात घ्यायला सो व्हॉट इज युअर सी ऑन दिस आता सध्या
आता होतं हातर घ्यायलो हा इट्स एन अलाइनमेंट विथ दिस सी बांध cannot be go inside or outside. We had bought the demarcated here. The owner was present over here once it was tender, and then the department or the survey person was called up, and they had demarcated it. So also I think हातात दाखव आता and that it goes straight here. Some whatever the portion washed out, water was entering, no doubt. Mangrove has gone even inside the field also. Whoever has a say, like he can show us where it is, we can verify. But now it is high tide, low tide, everything can be seen.
no on what basis you have filled up this part of the river
After demarcation only, no? After demarcation. Yeah, that cannot be. You here, you cannot verify.
no
Plan is there.
plan
Yeah, sure.
Sir, can I interrupt you? Also, आज लेमोनी साइड they know mission आना तेरे जाए.
देखो हमला मरे होबरा from the childhood we used to come fishing here.
Yes, sir.
Ba that's gonna soil am kota ab to kota puroil dik so हुई सोचे yang mangroves नहीं ते kota है mangroves तो पुरोइल ना तो जाले mangroves सकला संग झालो नहीं
Okay.
ते सकला संग
É, Charles, foi ele. Fishing. É, até agora não tô só separate.
Okay.
तो separate जंट होता
See, I think you are saying it. You have any to prove? You have any plan to show me so that I have my plan. Saying is not important here, sir. I have a cadastral plan also and a survey plan also. So मार्क ते कितने उलें दाखवे ना काही कित्याक आम साइडी रेन आम demarcation केला. तुमगे कितने आहा जाय तो no doubt we have to rectify. Here nothing is done. Only mud is filled up. So तुमगे किथे आते I don't want to listen anything. तुम तोंडान सांगो ते माग नाका. But show me. Sir had asked me what are the where is the plan. We have both the plan over here. So you verify with your plan. I verify with my plan. No issue. Survey department तो कोणा आड्या डिमार्क कोऱ्या पोतून. No problem. We are human beings. We are bound to do a mistake. तुम सारखा no issue. We will take
so
it.
basically तू म्हणू सोदिता की ओ बांध वॉश जाल्लो आणि सर्वे प्रमाणे तू कात फिलिंग करून पडले because it was showing your survey and in order to do that you don't mind destroying the mangroves which were
I
here.
don't say that. I don't say.
Which
But
you have
one
done,
thing-
no?
But one thing.
Which you have done.
Agree, sir.
Which you have done.
One thing, sir. Listen.
You have not preserved
For
the mangroves
years-
you
for
considered to
many
put this
years,
inside.
it is- See, for many years, no maintenance done. I can show you right deep, and we can go deep inside. One thing, when
तुझ्या
all
तुझ्या
thing has
maintenance
washed off,
आमको
all thing
जायो.
has washed off. See, this thing that water entered inside. So how the mangroves goes inside? This is what? This is the place to grow the mangroves? No.
So
How
that means if naturally mangroves have grown there,
No, sir.
you
no,
as
sir.
an authority will come and cut it. There is no procedure for that.
See,
You take
listen,
the permissions,
sir.
no?
See, listen, sir.
You take the
I agree.
permissions.
That is other part.
You are giving an example of the other part.
But,
so I am telling you,
since you
don't
have
give
bought
that
the
example.
issue of mangroves,
The mangroves is here. You Mukalia.
Yeah, sir, yeah.
So mangroves have been destroyed in order to do this. Sir,
sir, I don't agree to that.
No,
See,
no.
I don't agree. See, listen, I don't agree to that. One thing, since Bandh has washed off due to high tide, when the high tides are there, water goes enters. So water enters there, the mangroves are bound to. See,
No, I'm talking about mangroves here, this side,
sir.
not that. Talk about the mangroves
Here
here.
nothing was there. It was.
No,
wide
I'm
open
showing you
sea.
mangroves. I'm showing you mangroves.
Yeah. That's-
There were no mangroves here.
आपके mangroves.
mangroves here
So,
on this
sir,
side.
I think here तो है देशा है.
आपके का तो ले
You are talking as if
WRD
you are
officially
local
saying
man.
that
काय नमुना
mangroves
आप सुपता
No,
आप
you
सुपता
are
ये तो
talking
काय ना हम
you are-
प्लेन गेनेला हम डिमार्केशन केला छी आगे कौन कित केला I am not defending anybody.
you have to take
See,
official
I don't want
stand.
to defend anybody.
Demarcation लागून तुम्ही mangroves कातले without permission. झाले. This is your WRD statement.
No, sir. No, I don't agree to that.
Amma, you
I
are-
don't agree.
Then
We
why
have
you
not cut
cut-
anything?
you are
You
cut-
show me where it is cut.
Come,
Simply putting allegation can be done by
No,
anybody.
you are showing you where you cut.
Yeah.
Talking, Mara,
Don't say that.
you are
I
talking
was
more than an
I was
official.
personally
You
here.
are talking more than an official.
Listen.
I was personally here.
employee को जब चोर होले था, तू होणारे सोले था.
इंगा आम्ही
होणारे सोले था.
Listen.
तू होणारे सोले था. तू एक गाव बांधा बाकारे सोले था.
No.
दिसाला बांधालो, तू होले था, तू होले था.
Fancy 1 minute.
You are talking
मुका
about-
फोटो आहे दाखवजे तो एक डिझाइन आहे mangroves झाले
हांव कित म्हणतो का मंगे काय
तो मोठा mangroves ना झाला मोठींगा
No, sir. I
There were mangroves here or no?
talking like
No,
official.
listen.
No. That's what I'm talking about. There were mangroves here or no? Tell me one thing.
But one thing,
What
project, we have to bring investigation into this because you are talking not as
No,
a
no, listen.
and we would want
right from
a committee to be put
January,
into
March,
this.
April, आम्ही गेल्या याचं हिंगा.
Machine केतो तो बरं खबर आता का?
होय.
आता last
एप्रिल
eight
मे
months.
येईल म्हणून नका आम्ही वर्ष झाली सदा
हांव तेच म्हणतो का, हांव ना
No,
म्हणा.
but you are saying-
आम्ही काल पयलेन काम
No, what you are
You
saying,
made a
listen, what you are
statement.
saying is that to do something you have to cut the mangrove.
Ah,
Akil mangrove-
I
आता
not
म्हणा,
said that.
आता
That's
म्हणा,
what
आता
he said.
म्हणा.
I
आता
never
म्हणा.
said, I never
Sir,
mentioned mangroves में बोलना.
No.
Sir, sir.
To do something you have to cut the
देखो
mangrove.
वो इंगा
What I'm
local
saying is that
he
we have
is
to
born
go
here
there.
and 70 years
I
also.
agree, I respect him, but what
Now
it is
you
like.
respect him.
No,
You
listen.
you are telling him get the papers. That
Of
is
course.
not the way.
हाँ, निकिता.
Now how you agreed that you have to cut the mangrove?
No, I have
Now
not
you are
agreed.
coming
I'm
to the
मागीच
point
सांगतो
when
का,
MLA says
कोण की सांगो त्यांना का आम्ही प्लॅन घेऊन येयलाय न्हू आमको फाईल किती
You have
आमको
destroyed the mangroves, number one.
See, sir,
And your
listen,
verbal
If you
complaint
say
regarding Rama, what you are talking now
no,
here.
I got the pictures with me here.
You are not Mukari, I'm not-
mangrove आम-
I got the pictures here. Man, just was taking all the mangroves.
Tak baga dia keluar.
ही झाड घातलेली तिची सोगली ते बांधाची आखी झाडा लावली बांधाची आखी झाडा लावली पुरवली ही कातल्याची तुम्ही ना तो म्हणा आपला जायला होता इथे हिंगा तिचं आखी तिचं
Now, हे कोण गेला? तू आणि ही पहिले इन्स्पेक्टर पाहिले
होय, ट्युशन गेल्या ना.
टिंगसन गेले हिंग हे आता तू काम केला तू हे काय खबर ना मुक्त
No, खबर ना म्हणा.
खबर हा.
हे किती जाते आय हॅव नॉट सीन हियर कित्याक काम थिंग चालूच म्हणते वी हॅव गॉन देयर.
Not seen म्हणून
That's
take
not
a
like that.
stand.
You have
Be
to take
bold enough to say I'm कातोला तू think म्हणा.
Look, okay,
This is your work.
come
Mukari,
on.
Mukari.
Listen, sir, आम्ही कातोला आपल्या
No, who is the engineer for this project? You are the engineer. So you are responsible without taking proper permission. This job is been done. You have to be penalty अपाकू जाय हिंगा. You have to be changed. दुसरो इंजिनियर हाडपाचो आणि ह्या प्रोजेक्टाचे पयशे ही झाड कोण इंजिनियरान खातोवपा दिले.
ही पळय, पळय,
त्याका
ती
इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावपा जाय.
ही पळय झाडा लावली.
Very very clear. There is no two way. बांध कोणाक म्हणलं. बांध करून जाता आलो. कातून नाका.
हे पळय.
Now I allow you to speak. No. Now I allow him to speak. Come. Now. Destruction of mangroves to save your property.
First of all, I have only done basically the work of the road over there. Secondly, that right now so many people are entered in my property is open. Every day there are
Now, why this stretch has been drawn here now? For what is this? Wall bamba झाड उडेली ना? क्या झाड उडेली? That's the wall already retaining wall होते. क्या कर रहा हूँ? आप कर रहा हूँ
What I'm saying is you are educated. You are no longer from your father's generation. So I have nothing to do. You are much younger to me. I am 77 born. You are 80s?
91.
Very nice. 91. 91 is more environmental friendly
I agree with
youth.
Yes, I agree with
I don't see this what you agree.
No, here 2 minutes. None of these are cut. First of all, only the dead ones. No, please look properly. Only the dead ones. Yes, if at all, but they were dead. You can see the dead one. One tree here, dead. Any of them, they are all still lying.
Why
in
they are
the-
pushed?
They
Why
are
they are
dead
pushed?
because after
not-
after
why
few
they are
months you
pushed?
will see these are dead.
No, 1 second. Let me finish, please. First thing, they are not killed. Okay, they are still here. Secondly, you were saying earlier, no, about the boundary. Let me tell you. Here, my land has been eroded so much that my boundary. Wait for the low tide or come again. Please be my guest. Wait for the low tide. My boundary goes till there. My old retaining wall is existing in this whole line. You can see it outside where the trees are.
Why didn't you go there then?
1 second.
Let him complete. Let him
See,
complete.
I'll be honest with you, even earlier, everyone was screaming, everyone talking at one time. You can't say anything because it's very easy. And with a crowd like this, very easy to make one allegation, 10 people jump down someone's throat.
Carry on.
Secondly, I've taken CRZ permission to do this work. I have CRZ permission.
Permission to
Permission to repair, renovate, and rebuild and strengthen my existing bunds, even if washed away, and my sluice gates.
keeping into mind and protecting the existing mangroves.
100%. But
This is written.
No, it is not.
Cannot be
written.
written. They will not give you permission.
I agree with you.
And you did not mention that there are existing mangroves on your probably band, and you need
Sir,
to.
with due respect, you know the procedure as well. They come for a
So
site
what I am
inspection.
saying
One second. They come for a site inspection. Even in the minutes, it's written that my barn has been washed away at multiple places. I've got permission to reconstruct it even all over there. I can show it to you. I don't mind. But I didn't know that there was a meeting happening today. Nobody informed. 1 second.
You don't need to justify that.
No, I'm not justifying.
I know,
No.
I know engineers here.
I'm
He
not.
proposed to call you or your father yesterday. When I called him, I told him don't call.
1 second. I don't know about that.
This message is not put on WhatsApp group.
I don't know.
Department knows and the locals knows.
No, that's
so
what I'm
you
saying.
don't come here by
No, I asked my neighbor. I was actually leaving. I came here coincidentally and I
Okay,
was on my way out.
okay, now the
I saw
topic
him.
here is-
No, since we're here, they saw me going. Ask him. Ask. Behind him, there was that lady was there. Okay. My neighbor, Mrs. Dias, saw me going. I even said bye to her.
So now what
Nobody
I would
told
what
me
I would
anything.
want to put across to you is
Please.
we are all heading to a great change in global climate and
I
global
agree
warming.
with you. I agree with you.
Now, with due respect to your father, being in politics for a very long time,
Fair enough.
having connected and having connections with all the departments of Goa, let
Fair
me
enough.
complete. Okay?
Yes.
Could we
Yes.
preserve this?
I would like to.
Wait,
in
wait,
fact-
I'll
in
give you
fact,
suggestions how
Yes,
to do it
please.
if you want.
To plant on outside, I will
No
do that.
planting, no planting.
Why? I will plant
no,
mango
no,
saplings outside.
No.
राव एक मिनिट कोणा तुम्ही रोडा कोणा ही आडपा दोला
Oi, lorry go.
नाही ही उलयता
Lorry go.
कोण
Sorry, phone mara. So what I am saying is,
Please.
let's restore this back. You will lose probably 3 meters of land.
No.
You tell me. You will lose probably 3 meters of land. Let's do the barn from here, whatever way, right? So you are losing probably 4 meters, 5 meters of land.
2 minutes. After you finish, please give me a chance.
Okay, I'll give you. Let us say you are losing 5 meters. We restore this. Whatever is lost naturally by natural calamities, and you have lost, say you have lost 10 meters of land due to natural calamities, and due to natural calamities, mangroves have grown. Probably on this. Let us preserve then. Nothing is going to go less if you lose
Can I make an even better suggestion?
500 square meters less.
This way everyone's happy. I will plant fresh saplings all along this.
No, but destroying. But
No.
are you able to get a permission to keep this destroy further?
That way, to be honest with you,
You can't
said,
get no.
you only said that I've killed them, which I'm telling them, which I'm saying they're not dead. If they're
So
dead,
killing-
which way I might as well plant new.
So for killing is not a planting, is not an option.
No, I
Killing
agree
probably
with
there's a
you.
big penalty.
But I haven't killed. I haven't killed. I'm saying I will plant fresh saplings that can grow.
No, but that is not the solution. That is that for mangroves. That is not the law.
No,
The law is something different when you say about mangroves.
I agree with you.
Oh,
But here I'm
when you
saying-
cut one
I'm
tree, you
saying-
have to grow 10.
I'm
But
saying
when you
actually
cut one mangrove, you don't have to grow 10
I will grow
mangroves.
all along I will grow because they are beneficial for me only. They protect my wall.
No. See, protecting your wall, then you should have brought your wall inside, my dear.
But I did, and
You
like
should
I
have brought
said,
your wall
I
inside.
did.
It
And
wouldn't
like
make
I
any
said-
big difference.
No, I did.
It wouldn't
And
make
like
any
I
big
said-
difference.
Like I said, please come during low tide and please see for yourself where my actual boundary is.
No, but you cut already this.
I have
you
not
already.
cut.
You,
I have
see,
not
this,
cut.
let's go.
This is
one thing,
and mangroves are lungs, my friend.
Boss, I agree.
Trees,
mangroves are
you are
large.
planting
I agree
trees,
with you. All of
replacing-
that. I have
replacing
offered to
trees.
plant. I have offered to
No,
plant.
replacing trees.
You're killing
coconut
someone and
trees
then you're saying you're offering to give a new child.
One thing. I'll ask one question.
Yes.
You are saying your boundary is that side.
Yes.
Why didn't you go there?
Sorry.
Why did you
Because
go
there
that
was
side?
no way to go.
Then
Because
you
I had to kill.
no. You want to
And
save
I
yourself.
haven't. No. And I have done this road.
No. If the boundary is that side, you should have gone that side.
Boss,
You
now
should have
you
saved
tell me
this.
now.
You have to
tell
save
me.
this.
Chalo, I'll give you the tender now only. I'll do it myself. I will do it privately with you. Do it over there. Chalo.
Since
No,
we
it's
are-
not
since-
about
no,
the
no,
tender
no,
now.
no, no,
It's
no,
about
no,
how
no,
you are
one
getting
second,
the
one second.
documents approved.
Since your boundary
One
was
second.
there,
How you are getting
you
the
know
first
that you
right
can
permission?
save it.
How? Meaning they've come here.
They've-
Why, 1 second. Even during the CZMP, we have gone walking all around. Not only here. Coincidentally, from Karmuna village, the biodiversity member was present. All of these fields, we have marked the old boundaries.
So he signed.
They're all marked.
He
The
signed the report of the
geolocation-
inspection.
Yes, the geolocation is also taken. So tomorrow, if for example there are allegations now that I've encroached into the river, the
No,
geolocation.
we don't have.
No.
The river.